Okay, it's playing.
Alright.
Okay, so this is me attempting to do the cinnamon challenge.
I like it.
Oh my god.
Just do it.
Mm-hmm.
Put it all in. Let's do it. I know CPR.
Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. Okay. I hate cinnamon anyways. This is stupid. Oh! That even burns! Damn!
Just do it.
This is not gonna be good.
Do it.
Oh my god, that's nasty!
Hey, you're gonna puke!
Oh.
Where did it get stuck?
It smells like cinnamon out here.
Where did it get stuck? Ooh. That's the cinnamon in the cup. Sorry about that.
This girl puke! Cinnamon's strong. You're gonna have to send that to Jill.
I'm out.
How do I turn this off? I don't know.